na cheap boards. Hebinto au biogokora plumbing, nodes, hood screws, chigulu chonsi, door locks, cheap pipe wrench spanners, screwdrivers, banyore, old Sansura building, angena Kisii main bus stage, Gusua Kisimi, asenamba, enotisano nebire, Eyemo kianda, inyeisano, enotinye, inyeisano nemo, Osmo Traders Limited, customer satisfaction guaranteed.
Maya kichiba sengo kuchira mareta mange sana. Ekeboko, orwenyi, ambagomba. Tunda chinyinga karangeri omwana omwabo. Wono chintunda chinyinge. Make use. Obuojo mutakeire. Skuru chegwiru abana mbatakeire bitabu. Mondongu bware chiribuga. Ikomi kera rituko mondongu bware 10,000. Na mwiso bwe week. 1200 ko pocket wese ko wali my friend ayenga yuko tikara okobwa na kwomogoko waye igwa ko genda sesimi yao yako genda say baby business number 888090 igori yoka wako na bakadai okubeka emia yemo yokai unokubeka chintunda chinyenge chance yao yobugwi igere iguru chintunda chinyinga karangeri omwana omwabo wono chintunda chinyinge make use
egosoriye yokwebwere nenko nigo yanchireni kyombe ya PCLB ni namba ya 002660 egosoriye ni yabantu bari myaka 13 guche igoro.
Mbia mana sana mwancho muri abeta seni kia Ndizi TV na kwasemera kwanu na kwabere kugotuara lituko lireligia ne magaro bengia na ndengo kwaligania SMS ya mangana maya etaliki ne ya mutinyo gatano na kabere mwako yega gwechiribubere emerongevere na isato ko kwaligani bene elindengo manye asenchera yobwekirano nyara sinsemo chichimi chandao asensemo ya Facebook na bagotonyora gwetera Ndizi TV News Digital na bega senseme ya YouTube gwetera Ndizi TV News asensemo ya website na bagotonya gwetera www.ndizitv.net ireterene Fridah Kerubo na sensemo chibirokere nigotokubwatenere Joshua Auta toska tonyegera ngwira nanda segekege Kerubo elinde ngomanye amange. Mwancho muligereria ikaransa oike elinde ngomanye asenchera yobwekirano Amayia yebirebiga nigongo chakira county ya Nyamira asengo kumanya bunani go chiskuru chigendete kweroberia ase okoigorwa magayo mutimo komokeigo bwe wiki Eyemo kurende abayiboli nigo babere bakuborirwa gotalera ase chiskuru echo nabayigo gokwanera abatendeneri be chiskuru asoka nikebuna aborki babo baligo chikwira ni gwanka sengencho ye school fees waigo nigo aborokyo babere bakuborirwa otwara chimbwa chingia anemono asoko nikebunango igwera bali abayiboli babo obasemyo boiga nigo bwabo korwegwa no mobasia David Ombori naboigo mugaka bwe kanisa Joel Onyancha ase kanisa ya Ibucha SDA robotero asenchira yobwekirano no morikeito Job Maangi.
Maiga yokubunga chisukuru ase omotimoko bwe wiki Eyemo niga borokyo baliga chigo chikuigora chisukuru wiki erebosio nigo bosemye bogenderetse ko rwego chiase abaibuli na abana buna bobenderetse koba ase omotimoko yomoke
abantu abamuroche barabara Kenya na abachiete sukuru igwanya naje tu kurwanirira umwana wagende sukuru na boroche nganaye ogutigara kokoiranie kenyoro nyuma
abaibuli bade bashya abana abarimu bade bashya abana abagambi baito bade bashya abana n'abarandire kanisa cyade bashya abana so chinseme cyose igotoro komeka abana baito buya tubatenga kibakomenya buya iriegere barosubuguma bwabo
kakokwana na Ndizi TV omurandia Reverend David Ombori oyotenenerete chikanisa cha OPCG ase district ya Rigoma niga sabire abana kwerenda chinga kechicherusa na kubaigwera abaibuli babo
mwebuli teriko jasara asara nasore urutwara kwanje tote ina abana ngatemba na mokonyara moteme kwegwera usauri ya abaibuli usauri ya abalimu na usauri ya abagambi aina tokonye tubwaterane egera mambi abana baito mabegesa kwekiya kyama tukagocha
nabasaba gotoyesona ni namangana arachikubeka magimabo akongu buna okorundia boda boda nechisagwe chimbe
bacha chiteka ibere buna bana baso wasama yoko tindia baso wasama ngano wakachikadi chinkanda abanda baso wase okonywa marune bintu binde egera abana bakosone sokwa ni chipikipiki nege ntoyembe goita abanda banda kwa ni chipikipiki banyo na achali bakwa matuka bataraika bana kuyasona boda boda ngakine ikoka ora yasona boda boda kala kwa kulire school
Ensa Memorisia Joel Onyancha kurwase kanisa ibucha SDA nasaba abaibuli kurotota abana babo ekero bali ase erusa nakoba obosemia
abana bakireka baumurubeli nga kibako bapaka bakole buna baira ali esukuru emirobeli yesukuru rendo chachia etinga agenda ngasegeta agenda inga kikia agenda etinga ni agenda litukuli metinga yale koira jiteka 30 igo mungina no mugaka bwaterana asokorora abana baito bagweneire
nasaba abaibuli gotaira abana babo asamairi kolende kubaika ange chinga kibagocha aserusa
yagutiga abana bachake gutara bagenda mairi amairi esibachi bagotebina amairi bachieta sigitonya na baiseke bose nabamura utamanyitia amairi ayo tuli kubwati kwa manyasa ase omwana ale
ninki abaibuli babwenderetse gokora ekero bugimo bwabere bogokonga ekero chisukuru chigo chikoigorwa
amangana economy na makongwale lakini ale ko ini kare cha abaibuli tama ko lemere monomokia tama ko biasara biranyole bese oira abana school bese abaibuli ngatotuko mwana bereka ngane school visio tabwati nabora hangito kwati rero mambi to kutakuboru igoiro mwana mpaka school musabira libaga na bese rio bwatenge kona korwa egara bana koragerera tukanyire engakia mangana ka bagoronge na ibintu mbiyo byasama tukama
Ginko reporteria Ndizi TV kurwase county Nyamira Job Maangi
Mbia mono sana murikito Joma Angi asogotwaliganiria orobotero asenchira yowekiranu kolende gutigana nayo mwancho mulie na gusika mutu asorobotero nde nigongo kumanya buna nigo abarai aba gwikirana asamaga chamanene a KCC meyomochio Nairobi ase ogokwanera gose asogochengera litukoria ushirika okwana omurai bwense Dr. William Ruto nigo abagakorwa egekuregetinde gochiase bali bakonereri abalimi anomono asensemeli yetugo ya mabere naboigoni gabaga kwenekia okwerobile gwe serikali ya Kenya kwanza asokwenekia bunangwesira bale aboncherelia abakabake
wananchi karibu milioni 15 wako katika sekta hii biashara ndogo ndogo biashara ya kujiajiri kazi ya kujipatia ajira hiyo ndio sehemu kubwa ya uchumi wa taifa letu la Kenya. Statistics inatuonyesha 85% ya ajira katika taifa letu la Kenya zote ziko katika sekta hii ambayo ni sekta inayochanganya watu wa MSME, cooperatives na wale wengine wote. Na ni kwa sababu hiyo na umuhimu wa sekta ambayo inaitwa the informal sector na vile inachangia katika uchumi wa taifa letu la Kenya, ndio tulisema hawa watu wengi karibu milioni 15 ambao wako katika hii sekta, lazima tutengeneze wizara ambayo itashughulika na maslahi yao na mipango yao. Na ndio tumeweka waziri ambaye atasimamia cooperatives na MSMEs, na kazi yake kutoka asubuhi mpaka jioni ni kupanga hiyo kazi. Ndio nasikia chairman hapa akisema tuko na waziri kila siku. Ni kwa sababu hana kazi ingine. Kazi ni hiyo tu ya mambo ya cooperative. Zamani cooperative ilikuwa kati ya wizara zingine. Mara ilikuwa kwa wizara ya kilimo, siku ingine ilikuwa kwa wizara zingine, lakini mwaka huu ama katika awamu hii ya serikali ya 2022 mpaka 2027, mimi nimesema ya kwamba tutaweka wizara ambayo itashughulika, kwa sababu sekta hii ni ya muhimu sana katika uchumi wa taifa letu la Kenya.
Tinga kiechio boigo ni goruto abagakoeneke buna nigo barusirie ebango asensemo yendagera yetugo asokoeneke buna ngosira bare oburemi ebwetugo boigo ni gabagakoeneke buna nigo amariogo asensemo yetugo arachikoira nanse asensemo yamagori ndakoeneke buna sekte yo ngokinere.
Tumeondoa ushuru kwa chakula ya ng'ombe ama chakula ya mifugo. Na tumesema vile vile mambo ya vaccines ambayo tunatumia kwa mifugo yetu, tumeweka ama tumeondoa ama tumeweka incentive ya wale ambao wanataka kutengeneza vaccines ambazo tutatumia, madawa ambayo tutatumia kwa mifugo yetu. Pia tumeondoa ushuru katika hii budget, ndio bei ya madawa ya mifugo yetu ikuje chini, na vile vile tuhakikisha kwamba gharama ya chakula ambayo inachangia sehemu kubwa ya matatizo yetu katika sekta ya kuzalisha mifugo yetu. Vile vile tumesema ya kwamba hiyo mambo ya chakula tunaondoa ushuru for all products that are used for animal food. Na naamini ya kwamba hiyo mpango itatusaidia kuhakikisha kwamba we are growing that sector.
Tinga kiechio boigo mokonyi bomurai wense Rigathi Gachagua nigabaka gwikirana ase omuyigoyo asabaga kwiraniria mono gochia ase omurai wense ase ganga yae yokorosia uchumi boigo nigabaka kweneke buna nigo abange babeire bakogendera gwetera asogoso ase byombe ase aboria bibe bikosirwa na boigo kweneke buna ngokoria bire asa matuko abosio nigo boigo aboria bali bagendete goso ase byombe kweneke bnango chora bale abarai abaronge ndio kwenekia obokoreri obia.
Rais wetu wacha tukwame hapa kwa hivi amepewa ushirika. Hapa ndio hapa tukwame hapa. Wengine wanauliza kwa nini tuna shida huko na vyama vya ushirika? Sisi tumechanuka. Wacha tujipange na hii cooperatives. This is a way to build the economy of this country. Kwa hivyo we want to really urge those who have been given opportunity to lead the movement. A movement is as good as the leadership. Where you have a good leadership, the circle will stand. Where you have useless characters as the leaders, it will fall. So those societies that do well is where the leadership is right. Kwa hivyo we also ask you as members, mkichagua watu, muangalie vizuri. Take care, make sure you get the right people into place. Your Excellency, the cooperative movement in Kenya is a success story, and it is a movement that harnessed the first government after we got independence and has taken Kenya so far. We note with a lot of pride the successes of the various circles. The Harambee Circle, the Afya Circle, the Mwalimu Circle, 2NK Circle, and all circles that have succeeded. Your Excellency, we have a serious challenge in 2 crops of macadamia and avocado because the farmers are on their own and they lack the forum and the capacity to aggregate their produce to market in a strong way. Your Excellency, with the Ministry of Cooperatives, we are beginning a campaign next week to urge macadamia and avocado farmers to form cooperative societies so that they can market their produce and are not taken advantage of by the broker.
Mokonyi bomurai wense gashagwa boigoni gabakago tuguterare okuboria gwekiombe gia SRC asokomentera abakoli mirimo be serikali okonyora kwabo asane kyabuna nigo kibese icyo kibonete gukora emirobelyo ya serikali elinde gosira bali batali kwenyara kwene kyabuna nkugora bale oboyo asogosira abalimi.
Ningetaka kuconfirm vile ulisema jana kwa wale wako chini yako, wale wa cheo za juu, mimi prime na mawaziri ma PSS tumekubaliana na wewe. Sisi wakati huu hatutaki nyongeza ya mshahara, hapana, hatutaki. Hata kama pesa itapatikana hatuwezi chukua, mkilete tuta return to sender. Wacha ile pesa itapatikana kwanza, tununue bolea ya wakulima. Wacha ile pesa itapatikana, tupatie akina mama na wazee wale wa 70 years and above. Sisi wacha rais tugoje urekebishe uchumi, mambo ikiwa sawa huko mbele tunaweza ongezwa, but for now no. Lakini hao walimu na hao watu wengine na polisi nini, hao watu ya chini, hao tunaweza saidia hawa. Lakini sisi wale ambaye tuko na cheo kubwa, tuko na mshahara, sisi tunaweza ngoja. Unataka tungoje ama tupewe saa hii? Bas, rais umesikia, you are right, you are spot on. Na iko namna hiyo. Na kama kuna waziri ameona hiyo maneno ni ngumu, uandike barua, uache kazi, tutafute mtu mwingine atakubali hiyo mshahara. Sababu mambo iko namna hiyo. Na ndio mimi nimependa huyu bishop hata nitamwalika kwangu akuje ahubirie Wakikuyu huko wasikie maneno. Mambo ya bidii ndio mambo ya
Omowaziri Simon Chelugui ni gabaga kwene kebna nigo abakenya bamanyire obuya bwogosoa asebyombe asengencho yokwegendereria nabo igo kwene kebna ngoga chabale enibo yabo boigoni gabaga kubolia abalimi gosoa sensemeli ye cooperative ligotanga okonererwa nabo igo kwene kya obokoreri obuya asama tukabusio.
Because of the cooperative movement, we've managed to make great strides in development in various sectors. On financial services, Your Excellency, we've made great strides. Many Kenyans are banking and saving within the cooperative circles in Kenya. We also pride ourselves in productive sector, the coffee, tea, pirate rum, the fishermen, and whole other crops, value chains. We've made great progress, including rice. We can't talk about rice production in Kenya without the cooperative movement. We can't talk about coffee. We are a world leader in tea because of aggregation of the smallholder farmers. Your Excellency, recently you put in a lot of push on the fishing industry by creating a partnership between the Ministry of Cooperative and the Marine and the Ministry of Mining and Marine. We are also big in investments in housing, which is one of our pillars of this administration. So because of all those, Your Excellency, is the reason why we are celebrating today. We are a world leader. We are the best country in Africa as far as cooperative movement is concerned, and the 7th in the world. So,
Kerubo Cooperative Alliance of Kenya, MacLeod Malonza, ni gaenekia okobwatira na asensemeli yechisako iliokoenekia muna Kenya ngogenderere bosiasa bagakoenekia muna ekionekie ekebunguo kia magendero boigoni go airira obuya bwokobwatira na asogosira abakenya na boigo koenekia muna nkwegenderere bale gwetera ebyombe ni gabagakurwa okobolia gochia asa basaye koenekia muna ngoga chabale enibo yabo gwetera ebyombe asabaga kwa okoboko engana yokwaga cha chinyomba chiligolire nsekegima na baigo chingia.
Your Excellency, in Kenya, the cooperative movement is a key anchor to development, and this has been made possible by the strong partnership that we have with the movement. Today, over 14 million Kenyans spread in 26,948 cooperatives in all sectors is a testimony of what can be achieved through partnership. SACCO subsector now holds 30% of the total national savings and has employed directly 500,000 and another estimated 1 million indirectly. This recent expansion of ASLA Fund to include cooperatives will provide an impetus for even faster growth. Your Excellency, we celebrate this day by showing the cooperative way of working, inspired by the cooperative values and principles of equity, democracy, solidarity, and mutual shared benefits, sustainable development. Goals recognize that ending poverty and other deprivation must go together with strategies that improve health and education and housing to reduce the inequality and spur economic growth while tackling climate change. Your Excellency, we look forward to strengthening of the partnership with the government in your plans for affordable housing, the National Tree Growing Restoration Campaign, and the encouraging saving culture in the country, especially to the youth and to the population at the bottom of the pyramid through your government bottom-up economic transformation agenda for a just and sustainable.
Mubasokano wipara nigo bagokwenekigwa asensemo ya Londia na sabantu gwetania 55 baba gusiria obugima bwabo nabande gutigerwa chingoma chintindi abantu 30 baba bagwikigwa asenya gitari ya Kericho ase naboiga bande baba kuiro gwika asenya gitari ya Nakuru level 5 inde kwenyorera obugweni abarai amba bagwikirana ase chinsemecho anene muwaziri Bosombi Kipchumba Murkomen gokwana kora chinsemecho nigabaga kwenikebuna nigo obutukibwa cyakirigwe kegima asokweneke kelikeirera umubasukano ubwepara oyo oigo nigabaka gututerare chinkwa na cyaba Kenya asokomochya ewizara eyo kubwatikana no mubasukano oyo.
No Kenyans, and I have had a lot of them saying that our ministry should have averted such accident. We will do the investigation and thorough investigations to know what caused the accident. We will do a very thorough investigations, and once we do so, we will take the necessary action. But we need our support. That soon, when you hear us banning and tell Kenya we ban people from operating from all the road reserves, of course, we'll give people due notice. But if you hear us tell the road agency, and especially Kenya National Highway Authority, to reclaim its road reserve and to make sure that nobody is operating immediately under the road, also let us receive your support. Because if we receive support of the people of Kenya, we will avert this situation. This is not a normal road accident. You know, this is not the kind of normal road accident where you say the matatu was unroadworthy, the police allowed unroadworthy vehicle to pass, or, you know, as people say, the car, you know, somebody was bribed, that's why enforcement was not done. This is not that kind of a normal kind of an accident. This is actually a disaster that has occurred as a result of an accident that perhaps could not have been too catastrophic happening.
Umoyega wokumwaliganinga Kipto nigo bakogokorekana asense Meria Elgeyo Marakwet ase abarai baba gwikirana elyo kwenekia umoyegoyo okwana Kipto nigabaga kwiranirimbya mono gochia ase omurai bense asoko muchora goso ase serikali ya Kenya Kwanza asabaga kuri eira kwenekia obukoleri obuya.
Your Excellency, I would like to take this chance to join my family in thanking you and your deputy for giving me the opportunity to serve in the position that I am in at the National Treasury. It is a very challenging position, and we are going to do our best to make sure that we deliver on the work that we have been given. I have told many of my colleagues, I think this is the second time I'm coming home since I got appointed. I have never had the chance to see my family. Even my daughter, I leave at 4 and come back at 11. So sometimes she complains that I'm not there. But I'm happy she has spoken well today.
Chinga kiecho boigo nigo omunyakerubo bwe budget ndindi nyoro abagakweneke buna niga bakenya bagendete gusira emirobelio a serikali asaine kebuna ogweti kwa gwe bili yechibesa nigo kora chikoba okwenyencho mono asaba Kenya anemono asensemeli ye sekta yechisemi.
Nikushukuru rais wetu sana kwa kupea huyu PS kazi ya kuangalia hesabu ya Kenya ya pesa. Mimi ningetaka nihakikishe ya kwamba kama chairman wa budget tunafanya kazi very closely na Dr. Kiptoo. Na daktari, wacha nikwambie, wewe ulipewa akili hata kubwa kuliko mwili yako. Kwa sababu akili ya Dr. Kiptoo iko sawa kabisa, na ndio tunatumia kwa maneno yetu ya uchumi, na nashukuru sana. Nikimalizia, rais wetu, mimi nimekuwa nikitembea pahali hapa Kenya katika hii kazi ambayo tunafanya ya kutumikia wananchi. Na mimi nataka nishukuru wa Kenya wote, because everywhere we go, Kenyans are supporting the decisions that you are taking. Nchi yetu, mimi najua, in the next 1 or 2 years, Kenya will be a totally different country based on the decisions that the president is making. Na sana sana wananchi wetu wa Kenya, ile tunaongea sana katika magazeti, tunaongea kitu inaitwa finance bill. Lakini wakati rais wetu alipiga sahihi hiyo finance bill, pia alisign ingine inaitwa appropriations bill, which is equally important. Na katika hiyo, kwa sababu hiyo ndio budget, mimi nashukuru rais wetu kwa sababu katika ile budget tumesoma 27% of that budget is going to the education of the Kenyan children, out of which rais wetu ameongeza pesa ya budget ya higher education loans board from 15 billion to 30 billion, which is 100%.
Omobunge Kimani Kuria oyoboigo obakagwikirana ase omoyego yoni gabakagokera ababunge ba Kenya Kwanza maiga yogwetia ebili yechibesa oigoni gabagakweneke bunambali babiri bagwikirana ase kigambiro asogutuguterare omorobili bwe bili yechibesa sabagakweneke bunambali tayari asokumirana nabarabo.
I was looking at the process when we were passing the finance bill, that we went day and night. And Your Excellency, you have a team that sat there past midnight, also because of the advantage of our age. You know, ilikuwa ni Kimani Ichung'wah anasimama leader of majority, anapatia Kuria Kimani, ikitoka hapo ni Ndindi Nyoro. Ile upande ingine walikuwa wazee watupu. Ikifika saa 4 na saa 5 ya usiku wanaenda kumeza dawa, wakirudi 3-4 clauses zimepita. Wakienda tena kumeza dawa ingine 3-4 clauses zimepita. And I know, Your Excellency, this matter has been challenged in court. And I'm wondering, when we zero rate raw materials that are going to be used in the manufacture of fertilizer, who on earth would have a problem with that? Because that is part of the proposal that you signed into an act on Monday, Your Excellency. When we zero rate coffee and tea that is going to be used for export, who on earth would have a problem with that particular proposal, Your Excellency? When we reduce railway development levy and import declaration fee, who on earth would have a problem with that, Your Excellency? So we are telling them, we are ready for them. Kazi tulifanya, finance bill lazima tutafute pesa ya kuapprove budget ambayo Mheshimiwa Ndindi Nyoro na kamati yake walipitisha.
Magega ye bili echibesa gwetigwa nigo sekta yobosombi yatwalire omochando anene chingaki amagori ya mabuta abere kagukina kubwatikana ne kyombe gya EPRA nigo gyasokiri amagori Amayia asensemo ye petroli ase elita Eyemo yabereke goika shiringi Eyemo emerongo kianda na isano nukta chisenti emerongo 5 naboigo asensemeli ye diesel nigo elita Eyemo yabereke goika chishiringi Eyemo emerongo 5 nebere na kianda ne chisendi emerongo 5 nomo. Mwancho muligereria asensemo yechigosoli nigo chigosoli chia FKF Division 2 ase zone ya Central nigo chiaba chigokolekana ase getige chigosoli kia Moi Stadium ime ya Kisumu ase egosoli gati ye timu ya Nakuru Barracks na boigo manyata chiaba chikuminana asobo buibwa babokwenekegwa se timu ya Nakuru Barracks ase abage gotwara chigoli ibere ase enunge Naboigo keminano kende nigo kiabagia kwenekigwa ase gati timu ya Ichuni Combined ne area ya Baraka Roses asobo buibwa bokwenekigwa Ichuni yabagia kwenyorera obubui ase chigoli isano ase ibere naboigo ase nsemo yechi final nigo Nakuru Barracks yabake kwenyorera obubui ase atwara ekeminano gati ya timu ya Ichuni naboigo kwenekya gutambuka ase nsemo ya FK1 Division ya timu ya Nakuru Barracks nero yabayige kwenyorera obubui.
Merci.
Timu ya Nakuru Barracks nera yabagia kwenyorera obubui na boigogoso asensemo ya FK1 Division FKF Division 1 boigogosanga ne coach ye timu yo nigabaga kwerera omogoko wetera obubui asabaga kweneke bunanigo babeire bagotwara chinga kishinyororo kwenekia obubui obo.
Naitwa Peter Wekesa, head coach Nakuru Barracks FC. Ni timu imecheza Division 2 Central Zone B. Ni vijana wamekuwa wafiti, youngest squad of the tournament I can say, because in anticipating kama ilikuwa final kwangu for the first match. So the youngest squad ni vijana wanajielewa sana, wanajua both their discipline. Competition imekuwa tough, siwezi danganyana. Competition imekuwa tough pale, kulikuwa na very good competitors, tumecompete nao. Tumekuwa na timu kama Shalima is a very good side, tumekuwa na timu kama Kapkatet na Bore, imekuwa very tough pool ijakuwa rahisi, but ni vile vijana wetu wamekuwa that training togetherness, wanajielewa, imekuwa advantage sana kwetu. Then keeping in mind most of them are students, so the discipline of the team has been so high, tujakuwa naishi yote. And then also the sponsorship imetupea very humble time to make sure that we have got easy time when coming for this tournament. So naweza sema pia imekuwa good preparation so far, na tunashukuru sana kwa sponsorship ya Nakuru Barracks led by Waterback Hotel, na tunasema kila kitu itakuwa sawa, and we are anticipating to make sure that ahead kila kitu itakuwa sawa.
Asoroboti ruabene mwanchumulia nigotoko ligerelia gose nigotokumulikira okulinda ebitwetanaine asengo kumanya buna gwetania chi milioni nye chechi plastic echichikorosigwa ase ense enusu yabo nigo chigotumekwa alimo ase kerengo gya inse ya 10 igoro yemia nigo chigotumekwa ase chinchera chinde na kigakogera Michael Manduku aimukirie getambukiro nabo igokori gya chinchera chinya cyo kulinda ebitwetanaine tenaine murikeito Brighton Makoli na irete chinga kichaya chiabene na baigo gotarira chinsemecho na baigo gotwariganiria oroboti rokubwati kondo mwanchi muri gwikirabu nongo ikera omoelio obwa mangana mayato skatonyegera ngwira ntora segekege Kerubo elindi togendera gosanga nere Dr. Kena Mwasestwara oboligereria borubia
nonye serikali nebyombe ao bigenderete kobeka emiroberio yo kwenekimuna ngorinda bale ebintu biri bitanaine anene korwa sebotumeki bwe plastic nigobono yarekanibuna ba Kenya bangeti baramanya ubuya bwe plastic echo gotumekwa na koroswa ebintu awo mamincha yoko bituguta isike karubanyarire bakobikorera ayani gagocha anene kero umwako yoiga ensingi mayanyara kigo chengera litukoliri lyebintu bitanaine kubotkana ayani gobono yangirera kwene kimuna ngoriginde oyomo ulionyarega kwene kimuna ngorindale ebintu birutotane na nene asobo tumekiwe plastic
samarieta nchini konkuru kwa Michael Manduku kurusameta nonde meto muchobo songaiga igotoko kora mangana West Management
paraboni go bakonyora chichube chukuru ase chinsemo
mbawra kine kitoko nyago chinchi plastic echiga koba ebintu bitotumeka kera jituko jiga biragenda aje ase environment bisaji amazingira ito etware go advising atwa bichenje bya ibintu bitotumeka kera jituko
kulingana Manduku ni gagende go twerabuna chichube chinigo chikoira emyaka gwetani echimisano erigo sareka nene kero chitugutire isiko kulende nerebuya buna chinyara chikoirwa na koroswa ebintu
ekaro twikire ase workshop yaito ntobwate a collection point
hoigonto de kumanya Manduku ngakia kuendera kwene kibuna nkole ndale ebintu biri tutanaine
chi plastic ekero gotoko some guri chi plastic mono igotobwate chi plastic isano ibere chi plastic chi type chi category isano ibere bono mono ase workshop yaito tuma chi plastic yanga chi type ibere gose isatu type entanga nige kuruku HDP high density polyethylene eyu ekoruku ebibuyu byonsi pi kende yose kukweke buyu konyo ekedikire nsaiga kedikire type ye plastic era oseidi plastic entanga nye kuruku HDP ekoba number 2 eye ige minute HDP mbajigete eyu ekoruku high density polyethylene type ye kebuyu ekeiga ekero chikwende chekero okemata igikona into normal state eyu minute nke gwateka ndobwate type yende gogecherera eyu ekoruku endo goseke buyu ekoruku PP yeiga ekaro kwanye bandire mono ya etanyite bending igekobuneka igo kara yabunikire ige yumpipi chindo chinyinga nabakanya chiro siri igo gose metungi eyemenene it's a type of a plastic bono aiga ngonyara to sochi plastic cheito kulingana ne plastic type ugo tumeka ase ngenche karo ko ganda gochiberia nchibwate melting point ase chiko berra chikera ogwetani yabwe chiko ya chiara fumes echirasa dust to people to the environment so to advocating ase a project ye itoko kora kuikore na mazingira ina tokorera mono abantu baito mbanyora marwaire muna chiabo kansa chiabo ki so na kitoko advocating kwa manye type of plastic utumeka ndoba chi type chinde ekorokunga PET polyethylene terephthalate ene plastic yechi chibachi amaje yokonyu type yende ngago teriko bera raisi teriko melt raisi ande teriko shiri ekero kwanye melt ribu ya gego shrink ekero iguri bera gego shrink so ene type yende chande tabantu abange no ni ntuga amuna Kisii workshop ntoranyara kwenye identify sto kwenye categorize kwenye tumeka lakini ntonye tumeka ta segete gake no nya ntoranye tumeka mono bono ekero tuwachiro goraiga kero gwachenchiro konya utamanyeti echikoro ku mix ntone meti astoko beke bintu bito gutira ntobwate PET plastic type number 1 yuko polyethylene terephthalate tugatwara number 2 HDP yuko ku high density polyethylene yuko bibuyu mune bigana abatebya tugatwara number 5 yuko ku PP polypropylene type of plastic eyemuno tone meti gaiga namangana yechindo ebibuyu ebiroge biga byo gwikaransere binge no bigo fall in this category bono ogoskarogoraiga ntobwata stokuruka mix yechiga nchiro teko nyara go identify chitegete gwachikore research naboko nya plastic kora kwanya wala tedi kiriando tebwati any label lakini yakaro kwenye bata naboko manyanga energy TP
gwikirania aya manduku ni gatutebuna chimashini nchirororo agutumika erikorosia ebinto ao
mashini ntangani ere mataboni gekuru kwe shredder akabere gekuru kwe extrusion machine agato yaruku compression machine akana yaruku injection machine
igona genda gutumanya igoro y'omuruberi oyo
na benge tinga yechi plastic bono ogocha kwabe ko murero ogaiga on kwabe ke plastic ime wanza gosia igona ansire gosia akarongo be kaiga oko be kaiga amainari mabwate plastic anza gosia ayara maino agosia ki plastic cheito into small plastics ebi pisi ebi kebi kekaro kwabe kire plastic yago iga igeko bwato yangu so na gosia gwa bono aiga twanye chi plastic cheito igitu asire kurwase machine yeiga chi plastic yechiga bona ka twachi categorize into HDP na itoko nya gutumika muino gase machine yekurukunga extrusion machine machine yeye igero asiri in form of a screw screw eyu igero asiri ncheregetega ekero gufunga screw geko genda ongoroteyo okunyigora na maega one screw yeye tukanyebekera cheating elements iga ebinto bigo samba chume gego sambu ya samba bake screw eri ime bono anto bwata setting elements asoko sete libera jiyo tagete kulingana plastic type yo gukorera gas liberere jiga ano kuje yanganeria muna bona jidibe to tumeka ji libera jide 210 to 220 to 230 kati ya depending na gane kyo sete binte biao na kyo bibete kwa bile exposed to the environment uikanaro type ojibeke jiba igorake bono machine yeito igogocha kwanyoke kero ya yire na bono yabwe kero ko yeikire ya meltiri yeikire bono goko beka oniga ya ansa gosuguma chi plastic yechiga koruga iga
anyareka otutebi obuya bwokorenda ebinto biri bitatanaine
bono wetere machine yeiga nabo ko tumeka mold ende onsi ite kuba chi plastic yagara kwachirandira gaiga chigo kenda nabone yakendire iga kwanyara korusi ororo na gochibeka so gocha gochitumeka mambi igo abokora si usichike chinyinge aso bonge yagara kwa chiago konya korenga inki mambi okorosi bono na rengere jaba gusiba ito ntu abwate culture yaito yokorosi bitonga ebie chinteru nkarenge nkire kitora birosie ase nkire yekerero ikagara nkarosi binte biga boniga nkonyara to korosi bintu mune biga ebintu mune bikabu aboko weave ebintu mune ebi chinteru chiekerero cyo gutumeka chiusie chiga ikenege ntokereke kongumono otabwekane biri byakare because imete muno konye kunia mache mune wanza kurwa kini kegana bogo sibya na bogo tumeka rero na ando sibi na ando tumeke na andi chinsecho iko nyege ntokiamana sabantu bali bago sibi chinsu bago koraki bago beka matunda abo buya bago sibi chingeni chiabo chi ku mugondo na bogo sibi chitiga byo nyabuka muka mache gakanye konyitoka buya kurwabo ogenda no buguma bwa bwakira yituko twarosire binte ebinge wetere chi plastic yechiga egotega mane erangiye plastic kwamanya kanyore kare elio tagete igo ekaronyo chi plastic chibwata chikara chingiya muno kanyo chi product chingiya ndobwate machine yende ekorukwa compression machine eyuereye machine yeyo etobwata mold Eyemo eitokumura chi plastic maiga tuabeka ime tuigora ma tuabeka eyegenge compression eyegenge oven ya kawaida tukanye modify tukanye rosio gocha kwabekere mold ya goma okanyara ka kwanye bekiro na bebwata eating elements mune chiga kwabekere machine ya goma anye product yao maiga chibu plastic kwabeka kwasieka kwanya 10 minutes ya bere plastic yeji kwanyora esani muneji esani muneji bono togwa device omuntu ogusimeke bimauga office yaye kworosia ganto munaka kwasime kwabe kamera baime kwasimeke kamauga ka kwabekera office. So usually ebine bintu agokora ko beautify asomenyete wetere machine ye nkorosire bikombe nkorosire kisani nkorosire chibakuri ebintu ne bingera asekera kwanyo chi mold igintu yuke bitagete noko rengera kworosia mold nkorosire pake ebintu mune biga chipboard cyoko na cyenda cyo kanyari kingeni muneke ekero kero asiri ko ruma ekana ari gutumeke soapstone mold muneye ndu atama ko research yo gutumeke plastic ware kwana boko be kana ndo mata urusie gento mune korora agio kanyari kingeni kose nabaye work mune tile na batako stari ko ruma iga so ine ara to kora wetere machine ende yakana igekoro kwa injection gego inject mune sindani okobeka chi plastic chia goma okobeka chi plastic chia goma iga wachiga tira wachi chichura maiga cheating elements yechiga na chiyogo sibaga chia sambe chuma ya beri chi plastic chichime kwamanya gosuguma nsa yendo yuko keta kero no koligia mold na beka rosi bikombe na beka rosi kisani wetere machine yega ekora go inject ya suguma chiberete chia so kerase ya take that shape wana wetere machine yega na nyata koro chidoanop choko bwatere merango chidoanop wechiga igerera sana gochirosia no kugura chisukuru echo ochifunga ase mold yago irikuwa igateire ego take that shape of the mold ya bwata nyechu esukuru ejima sukuru ebonte konyara kubwatwe karo gofunga ayega no gocha so murango ogo ofunge iga ogokora gofunga kabisa pako moedio ya very strong okubwatero murango ogo ebi na batokorosia tone dia banda bakorosia kabati mirangu nini egera to promote wa economy ya Gusii
eyo nerenjera manduka utumeka korosi ebintu awao korwasi juba likali otugutwa asebona sentundende ya kabirenda chiko koira tukwane nabarai awao amona babwatani awao ende kumanyana narali atakirwa korwa erigo konya biri bitwetanaine soroboti rwabene iridariane Brighton Makori.